So yeah, I be feeling the benefits of sea moss, but to see in a couple of hours that sea moss could do what her ointment couldn't do in days, what Vaseline couldn't do in days, but that sea moss can do in hours what I was trying to get them to do. They couldn't even do it, but the sea moss could do it in a couple of hours. I was like, wow, I couldn't believe it. Hey y'all, my name's Kalila and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be letting you guys know where you can find the best sea moss gel ever. Sea moss gel is really popular right now. Although sea moss has always been a thing, people are just now finding out about it. So it's really popular right now. So with that being said, a lot of people are starting to sell it. But a lot of people aren't selling the real stuff, okay? A lot of people and businesses are not selling 100% Wildcrafted sea moss gel. A lot of people are selling pool-grown sea moss and sea moss gel. And that's not what we want. No. That's the fake stuff. That's the fake stuff. And with that being said, it can be hard for a customer who is not as knowledgeable in sea moss gel to know if they're getting the real stuff or not. And who wants to be scammed? Who wants to be scammed? Not me. So if you would like to know where you can buy 100% Wildcrafted sea moss gel, stay tuned. You're gonna want to watch this video. So first and foremost, I want to show you guys what 100% Wildcrafted sea moss looks like. This stuff smells straight like the ocean. Oh, wow, it really smells like the sea. Straight from the ocean. So I said all that to say, this is the sea moss that I sell on my boutique's website. I sell the sea moss in a raw form and I sell it in a gel form. And in order to clean your sea moss, in order to make it into a gel form, I only use spring water. Not tap water, not Deer Park, not jug of water, none of that. Y'all, I am using straight spring water. This water is really good for you. So when you get sea moss gel from my boutique, you are getting a rich and organic and luxury experience. There are no chemicals added to anything that I do. There's no preservatives, none of that. And also I want to let you guys know that I only handle you guys' sea moss with gloves. When I'm making you guys a sea moss gel, I am always wearing gloves. That is the only way to do it. Everything is a very organic and sanitary and luxury process. And not only can you get Irish sea moss gel that is 100% Wildcrafted on my website, you can also get Infused sea moss gel. Our sea moss gel options are sold in a 16-ounce jar or an 8-ounce jar. We also have elderberry infused, turmeric infused, lemon infused, strawberry infused, pineapple infused, lime infused. Y'all, just head over to the website. And some of our best sellers have been the elderberry and turmeric infused. Because I don't know if you guys know this or not, but elderberry is amazing, amazing, amazing for your immune system. A lot of doctors and nurses eat elderberry or take it in a pill form or a syrup form or a gummy bear form before they go to work because they are getting their immune system up to par so they can interact with these people without getting sick. People just got hooked to elderberry just because they want to defend themselves against COVID. But people have been doing this since the beginning of time, especially doctors and nurses. So yeah, elderberry is excellent for your immune system. And turmeric is also amazing for your body. Turmeric helps your body fight against cancer, and it also is really good for your skin. Turmeric heals your skin so much. It takes away dark marks or light marks and makes it all toned. Turmeric is so good for the skin. Y'all, look into it. Turmeric also helps arthritis and a bunch of other things that we don't want. So yeah, a lot of my customers have been getting the elderberry infused and turmeric infused sea moss gel because my people want to be healthy, okay? And I'm here to get y'all healthy, okay? So if y'all want more energy, better skin, better hair, better nails, a smaller waist, to improve your joints, to speed up your metabolism, to improve your immune system, to increase your sex drive, to better your mental health, all that. If you want to do all that, y'all, click that link in my description box. It's gonna take you straight to my boutique website, like I said, which is very easy to navigate. And order y'all some sea moss gel. Order y'all some sea moss gel. And y'all can also put sea moss gel on your skin and on your hair. Y'all, it makes it so soft. Oh my God, my skin has gotten so soft. It was already soft a little bit, but sea moss gel made it softer. And my hair, it has made my hair grow like wildflowers? Yeah, I think that's the same. Sea moss gel has made my hair grow like wildflowers, guys. I swear. I'm just so passionate about it. I could talk about sea moss all day. Did you guys know it was a red algae? Did you guys know that sea moss can treat eczema and psoriasis? Did you? And let me tell y'all something that I didn't document. I cannot make this stuff up. I can't make this stuff up. My dog cut herself. She be doing too much. So she had a gash. It's doing too much. So I put like this doggy ointment on it for a couple days. I kept putting this doggy ointment because my baby be stacked up. Trust me, she good around here. So if anything goes wrong with her, I got everything on deck. So I had some dog ointment for cuts. So I'm just putting it on her for a couple days. And I noticed that her cut isn't healing. So my sister's like, try Vaseline. So I put some Vaseline on it. Nothing. Y'all. Let me tell y'all something. I could call my sister right now and have her vouch for me, but I ain't gonna bother her because she's busy right now. I think she wouldn't do it right now, but that's her business. That's her business. But anyways, so I put sea moss on it because my sister said, try the sea moss. Put some sea moss on it. I was like, yeah, right, dude. Y'all, I put a little bit of sea moss on my dog scratch. I should have documented this. Within hours. It had probably been 6-7 hours. Because we did it in the afternoon. When we got back that night, her scar went from red to flesh tone. To the color of like her flesh, whatever her skin. It became skin tone. On God. On everything I love. I swear, I was like, what? I couldn't believe it. I sell the stuff and I couldn't believe it. It was like, because I eat it, you know, it's kind of hard to see the results so fast inside of you, because in order to see results, internal results, you gotta be real in tune with yourself. When the benefits are inside of you, like internal, you have to be really in tune with yourself to see how long it took to change. You gotta be like, okay, so the past 3 days I wasn't feeling that much energy, but today I am. Like, you gotta be real in tune with yourself. But when something is external, like a scratch or hair growth, you can see that stuff with your eyes. So yeah, I be feeling the benefits of sea moss. But to see in a couple of hours that sea moss could do what her ointment couldn't do in days, what Vaseline couldn't do in days, but that sea moss can do in hours, what I was trying to get them to do, they couldn't even do it, but the sea moss could do it in a couple of hours. I was like, wow. couldn't believe it. Y'all, I cannot make that up. So yeah, with that being said, sea moss heals things so fast. Like y'all, it is really like that. Sea moss is one of nature's most powerful plants, and it has been used for centuries. We're just kind of finding out about it. We just now getting hit. But sea moss has been around. Sea moss has been around. So, if I haven't sold you on why you should be eating sea moss every single day, then you need to get on Google and type in, why should I be eating sea moss every day? Because even Google gonna tell you. Trust me, y'all, this stuff sells itself. This stuff is amazing. Out of the 102 minerals and vitamins that your body needs, sea moss gel contains 92 of them. So by taking 1 spoonful of sea moss every day, you're basically getting all your nutrients, but you're missing like 10. And to be honest, turmeric or elderberry probably contains some of those remaining nutrients that you need. So y'all, click that link in the bio. You won't regret it. All right, y'all, I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was beneficial, and if you would like to see more videos on sea moss and just how to stay healthy, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video if you liked this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. Okay, all right, I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.